Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a Discord community. First things first, you need to head over and have in here and then log in on your Discord account. So for example, we also have in here this. So this is an example. As you can see, this is a well-structured server. They have server guide, channels and roles, suggested options as well as events, information, support, and also this app they have integrated and also socializing and community events. In order to build a successful Discord community, you need to have those events like for example activity contests, weekly themes, as well as general chat for people to interact with each other. When they interact with each other, it builds rapport and also relationship among each other, and in that way they will be enticed to join your community. Another option is if you're actually subscribing or if you're actually generating good content. Like for example, if you have an app on your actual server or if you help people, you should be able to get a good community in there as well. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.